If you're planning your first Carnival cruise, you've probably been strolling social media and watching videos filled with the same generic advice. Bring your passport, print your luggage tags, and get to the port early. But we're not talking about any of that today. In this video, I'm sharing 13 Carnival cruise secrets that aren't so obvious, tips that will save you money and upgrade your cruise experience. Plus, if you stick around to the very end, I am going to share a secret that will have the crew making you feel extra special on board. Let's get started with secret number 1. Underbed hidden storage. When it comes to Carnival cruise cabins, space is limited. What a lot of first timers don't know is that the beds are intentionally elevated so that you can utilize the empty space underneath. Most larger luggage will fit perfectly if you slide it under open. You can actually use this space to hide dirty laundry hamper, keeping it out of the way so that the cabin stays organized. Cruise secret number 2, ask your stateroom attendant for what you need on day 1. Meeting your stateroom attendant on day 1 is important. This is the perfect time to make special requests. If you need extra towels, extra blankets, or more hangers, just ask. You can even request a mattress topper if the bed feels too firm. Because the ship only has a limited quantity of these items, asking on the very first day gives you the highest chance of getting them. Cruise secret number 3, order as many appetizers and desserts as you want. Carnival does have a limit on main entrees after your second entree. There is a $5 fee, but when it comes to your appetizers and desserts, you can order as many as you want. This is the absolute best time to try new foods you've never tried before. So if you just were a little curious about a dish, you can even request a half portion. So don't be ashamed to ask, it is common. Cruise secret number 4, your cabin walls are magnetic. In your cabin, the walls are a great space to use for organization. What most people don't know is that they are completely magnetic. You can purchase heavy-duty magnetic hooks that are strong enough to hold your hats, your damp swimsuits, even your lanyards. I also like to use them to hang up the fun time schedule so it's easy to see and it doesn't clutter the desk. I use these every single cruise, and I'll place it in the description box below. By the way, if you are stressing out about what else to bring, you do not have to guess. I have put together a free cruise packing list for you. The link is right in the description box as well, so you can grab it, print it out, and check it off as you pack. Cruise secret number 5, room service has a free breakfast option. While Carnival does charge a fee for hot room service items, they still provide a continental breakfast that is 100% free. This includes things like pastries, fruit, coffee, and juice. A quick tip is stick $1 or $2 on the door with one of the magnetic hooks so you can easily tip the delivery attendant when your breakfast arrives. Cruise secret number 6, some specialty restaurants offer free lunch. There are restaurants on board that usually require additional fee for dinner, but they actually offer a complimentary lunch menu. For example, on Excel class ships like Celebration, Mardi Gras, and Jubilee, venues like Cocina del Capitino and Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse serve up free lunch. Just be sure to check your Carnival Hub app for the exact days and hours. Cruise secret number 7, ride the water slides on embarkation day. When you first board the ship, everyone else is heading straight to lunch. They are exploring the ship or even hitting the bars. If your ship has water slides, this is the absolute best time to ride them with little to no lines. A quick tip, pack your swimsuit in your carry-on bag or wear it underneath your clothes on embarkation day. Your kids will also thank you. Cruise secret number 8, you can bring your own drinks on board. To save some money, and lots of it, you can bring a limited amount of non-alcoholic beverages on embarkation day. Carnival allows each guest to bring a 12-pack of cans or cartons of soda or juice, plus one 750 milliliter bottle of wine or champagne per adult. Just remember, this doesn't include beer or liquor, and you must carry it on with you. Don't pack it in your checked luggage. Cruise secret number 9, the adults only Serenity deck. If you want to escape the high energy of the Lido deck and the kids, Carnival offers a dedicated adults only area called the Serenity Deck. It features upgraded, comfortable lounge chairs, its own pool area, and hot tubs, making it the perfect place to truly relax. Cruise secret number 10, the ship becomes a ghost town on port days. If there is a port on your itinerary that you prefer to skip, stay on board. This is a good time to have the ship entirely to yourself, for the most part. While not every single venue will be open, you'll be able to enjoy the pools and the hot tubs without the usual crowds. It's also the perfect time to book a spa treatment, as they usually offer great discounts on port days. Cruise secret number 11, skip the midship elevators. There will be peak times during your cruise where getting into an elevator feels like a sport. To beat the crowds, skip the middle elevators entirely and walk to the forward, which is the front, or aft, the back, elevator banks. They're less crowded. This is going to save you on embarkation day, your sea days, and when everyone is trying to disembark the ship at the end of the cruise. Cruise secret number 12, arrive early to secure the best spots. Carnival has popular shows and activities, but many of them are in lounges and theaters that have limited seating. So if you want a great view, aim to arrive at least 15 minutes before showtime. This rule also applies when you are getting off the ship at major ports, such as Celebration Key. Getting off early ensures you get the best lounge chairs on the beach before the crowds roll in. And now for that secret I promise you that will have the crew making you feel extra special. The crew members on Carnival ships work really hard to give you a great vacation. Simply saying please and thank you goes a long way. And a quick tip, if you slip an extra cash tip to your favorite bartender early on the cruise, they will take amazing care of you for the rest of the sailing. Now, knowing these 13 secrets is definitely going to upgrade your vacation, but only if you avoid the major pitfalls that catch most first-timers off guard. In this next video right here, I am breaking down 23 cruise mistakes that I personally made so you don't have to repeat them. Click there and check it out, and I'll see you there.